Brewers viewers, welcome to the Ginger Brewers channel. A few of our viewers, Old St Nick and Kevin Fox amongst others, have asked us how we make our labels, so here's a short workshop into our methods of designing and attaching our labels. Over the years we've used a number of programs to generate labels, but recently settled on using Canva, a simple design tool that's extremely user friendly. It has some beer label templates, you can choose one that you like. So we start with the main picture and a few things to consider and include. We need to print these labels, so stay away from designs that use a lot of ink. When it was bottled, and then generally add on 6 to 8 months for a best before date. Where it was bottled, how to store, the ingredients, what malts we used, what hops we used. Information about the method of the brew. Maybe put a bit of your own branding on there if you have a logo. Now we can download the Canva design, and then I import that into a Word document and make 4 designs per sheet of A4. Now I just use scissors to cut these out, but Dan saves time by using a small guillotine. I can leave a link to the guillotine below. Now to attach the labels, and this comes after a bit of trial and error, we just ended up using a glue stick such as a Pritt stick. We find that works the best. Just make sure to go right to the edge of the design. The bonus is when using this product, as you can see here, the label literally floats off after a few minutes in water. As home brewers, we are proud of what goes into the bottle, so it deserves to look the part when we give it to friends and family. Me and Dan are going to brew this amber ale again because it was so nice.